ChatGPT is changing, and if you still think ChatGPT is only a place where you ask questions and get answers, you are missing the bigger picture. The new direction is this: AI is becoming a work assistant, not just a chatbot, not just something that writes text, but something that can help you finish real tasks. In this video, I'll explain ChatGPT Work, Codex, and ChatGPT Code in the simplest way possible. And stay until the end, because I'll give you a very simple rule for knowing when you should use normal ChatGPT, when you should use ChatGPT Work, and when you should use Codex. Let's make it simple. Normal ChatGPT is like talking to a smart assistant. You ask a question, it gives you an answer. You can ask for ideas, summaries, emails, explanations, plans, and advice. That is useful. But ChatGPT Work is more like saying, here's a job, help me finish it. For example, instead of saying, give me marketing ideas, you can say, look at these notes, organize them, create a content plan, write 3 post ideas, and give me the next steps. That is a different kind of use. You are not just chatting, you are working. Now, let's talk about Codex. Codex started more as a coding agent. That means it can help write code, fix bugs, understand files, run checks, and build software. But here's the important part: coding is not only for programmers anymore. If you are a business owner, creator, freelancer, coach, or student, Codex can still help you. Why? Because many useful things are built with code. A simple landing page is code. A small calculator is code. A form is code. A dashboard is code. A tool that organizes text is code. A small website for your business is code. So when people hear Codex, they think that it is only for developers. But the better way to think about it is this: Codex is the building side of AI. ChatGPT helps you think and write. ChatGPT Work helps you manage bigger tasks. Codex or ChatGPT Code helps you build digital things. Here are some simple examples. Use case number 1: make a simple website. You can say, build me a clean one-page website for my cleaning business. Include services, prices, customer reviews, and a contact form. Codex can help create a structure. You can then review it and adjust it. Use case number 2: create a small business tool. Maybe you always calculate prices manually. You can ask Codex to build a simple price calculator. For example, create a calculator where I enter hours, materials, and profit margin, and it gives me the final price. That is useful even if you cannot code. Use case number 3: organize messy information. Let's say you have customer questions, product ideas, notes, or content ideas. ChatGPT Work can help sort them, summarize them, and turn them into a plan. You can say, group these customer questions by topic, find the most common problems, and create reply templates. That can save a lot of time. Use case number 4: turn an idea into a process. This is where AI agents become powerful. Instead of asking one question, you give a full task. For example, help me create a weekly content workflow. Start from video ideas, then write hooks, then create a short script, then create a YouTube description. That is not just one answer. That is a workflow. Now, here's where people get it wrong. They ask AI something too vague. They say, help me with my business. That is too broad. A better prompt is, I run a fitness coaching business. I want to get more leads from Instagram. Create 10 simple post ideas, 3 short video scripts, and 1 weekly content plan. Keep it beginner friendly. That gives AI a real job. Here's the simple framework I would use. Give AI 4 things: the role, the task, the context, and the output. The role means who AI should act like. For example, act like a business assistant. The task means what you want done. For example, create a weekly content plan. The context means your situation. For example, I help busy parents lose weight at home. The output means the format you want. For example, give me a simple table with topic, hook, scripted here, and CTA. This one framework makes ChatGPT Work and Codex much, much better. Now, here's the final decision rule. Use normal ChatGPT when you need ideas, explanations, writing, or quick help. Use ChatGPT Work when you have a bigger task with multiple steps like planning, organizing, research, documents, spreadsheets, or workflows. Use Codex or ChatGPT Code when you want to build, fix, test, or create something digital like a website, app, calculator, dashboard, or automation. That is the simple way to remember it. ChatGPT is for thinking, ChatGPT Work is for doing, Codex is for building. And if you want to learn practical AI workflows like this, step by step, I also have my AI University community on School, where we go deeper into AI tools, agents, automations, and business use cases. So your action steps are simple. Pick one boring task to do every week. Maybe it is planning content, answering customer questions, organizing notes, making reports, or updating a spreadsheet. 10. Ask AI to turn that task into a simple workflow. Do not start with something huge. Start with one task. That is how you use AI in a way that actually saves time. See you in the next one.